Introducing the Lunabode LED Alexa Smart Plugs, the perfect solution for transforming your home into a smart environment. With this pack of 2 Wi-Fi plugs, you can effortlessly control and monitor your everyday devices from anywhere. Thanks to the wireless control hub, you have the power to manage each device individually or all at once. No more running around the house to turn off appliances, simply use your voice. Our smart plug is compatible with Amazon Alexa and Google Assistant, allowing for convenient hands-free operation. Setting up these smart plugs is a breeze with plug-and-play functionality. There's no need for professional installation or extra equipment, just plug them in and you're ready to go. Take advantage of the Smart Scheduler feature and customize schedules for your connected devices. Set timers for auto on and auto off, providing you with a seamless experience throughout the day. Upgrade your home to a more intelligent and connected space with Lunabode LED Alexa Smart Plugs. Get yours now and enjoy the convenience of a worry-free smart home experience.